My name is Nestor Fuentes. I'm the service manager over at Insignia O&M. I chose to work for Bozzuto Management because the way they treat their employees. It's very rewarding that after 10 years, I have used everything that I have learned to pass it along to my new colleagues. Now you get to see somebody grow the same way I did. And that makes me very happy, and it's very rewarding when you see that person that he's teaching the next person. Bozzuto has that integrity where we always take care of each other. It won't matter where we come from. We know that we are gonna be there whenever we need each other. And it's very rewarding because after working 3 years in one property and you move to another one, people still remembers you and they still remember our logo.